Hi everyone, um, you're all welcome to this demonstration session. So today we are going to talk about SOAP. So basically SOAP is nothing but it's a protocol that is used to interact with Informatica MDM. So basically we'll be using SIF APIs. So SIF APIs will be invoking using the SOAP logic, SOAP protocol. That's what we are going to do. You can also do it using Java. If you want to do it using Java, then please check out my other videos where I have mention in details how you can do that, but today we are going to concentrate it on the SOAP UI, how we are going to configure that. So first of all, let's see. First thing is, this is just a freeware. What you just need to do is just go here to Google and just download this tool. This is it's a freeware. Okay, so you can just download this tool. Once you do that and you do just next, there's no special configuration for that. So once you do that, then just go here and say new SOAP project, and then just give the whistle of the whistle that is configured for your. For example, for me, this is the normally it's like this. So if this is your BDD link, sorry, if this is your server link, then this is like CMX request whistle. That's how it is. So CMX request whistle, and the server name will change according to your server name, and just give the name here, and let's say demo. I'll just give it demo and say okay. This is all what you need to do. So once you say okay, just create it as a sample project, and then what happens, you will see that the whole menu is created for you. That is the all the list of SIF APIs and sample requests for those SIF APIs will be created by this tool. All you just need to do is just configure this and then invoke those operations. That's all you need to do. Let's see, let's check it out. So these are all the different things here. You can see this. So these are all SIF APIs. All these are different SIF APIs you can see here. And let's say I want to do a get SIF API. That's nothing but reading a record from Informatica MDM Hub. So just go here and say double click. So as soon as I double click, I can see here that the SOAP is going to create a sample request for me. So this is a sample request, but it's not a complete request yet. So just see this. Um, Now what you need to do is you just need to edit this parameters. You need to edit. So just say the username is admin, change that, and the password is admin, and I would keep the encrypted as false because my password is not encrypted. And just remove all of these things because they're not needed. So just remove this. And what's the ORS ID? This is mandatory. Okay, ORS ID is mandatory. How do I get the ORS ID? The ORS ID I get it. The ORS ID I get it using here. So just see this. This is the ORS ID using the databases. Go to the databases tab and connect to the master database here, and then go to here and then just copy this. This is my ORS ID. So just go to here and then go to the SOAP tool and paste it here. That's it. Interaction ID is not needed, so just remove it. Just be careful with this tool, otherwise this will show some strange errors, so you'll not be able to track it. So just be careful when you're doing it. And wherever the things are optional and you don't want to use it, so just don't use it. Just remove this because I'm just going to use the row ID object, and that also one. And let's say I want to do it, I don't want to use this, and even this GB ID also I don't want to use it. Just remove it. If you don't want to use it, just remove it. What else? I think I'm not going to use this as well. I'm not going to use all of this. Okay, just what I'm going to use is the row ID. Let's try to make it very simple. And record key, where's the record key tag ending? Oh, I think we did something wrong. So let me just, where is this record key tag UR? Okay, this I don't need it, so let me just remove all of this. And in this record key, I'm just going to give the this here. I'm not going to use this. I'm just removing all of this. Yeah, I think that's it. So now we are ready. So let's go ahead with this request. Let me invoke this. So I just invoke this request, and I think we just missed this tag, record key, record types, record key. Just let me correct it. I think this should be fine. Let me try it. What's the issue? No table object found with this Hyperion object. Okay, this Hyperion object is blank. So just give a let's say I'm directly want to query the base object dot c underscore party. Let's say this is my table. So just invoke the request now. So you can see here in the right hand side, I'm getting the response, and the response is the record is being displayed. That is the consultation indicator, the name of the customer. You can see here below the name of the customer, the party type of the customer, the name is Amit Mishra, and all these details. So this is where you get the request. This is the request, this is the response, and this is the button that submits your request to Informatica MDM using the API. That's the get SIF API. So we just learned how to implement the get SIF API using SOAP. If you want to do it using Java, please check out my other video. Okay, thank you very much for listening. Check the other videos. Thanks. Bye.